Alright. Hello there guys, Ben here with Ben's Home and Garage. I haven't been posting here for a while because I really haven't gotten much going on. I've been mainly working on a shed. So, here recently I bought me a new vehicle that's going to need a lot of work before it's ready for the road for sure. For one, the front brakes are definitely hanging up and hopefully that's just it. And number two, it needs a good full tune-up. So, without further ado, this is the 2000 Chevy Tracker. It's got 227,000 miles on it. As you can see, no rockers. But, surprisingly, the underneath is pretty rust-free. It's only on the outside. There is actually still paint on the frame. No dent, no dings, just a bit of rust. Even the fuel door kind of rusted off. But other than that, it's all here and in pretty good condition. Just needs some TLC. Here is our little engine. It's a 2.0 Suzuki 4-cylinder. And there's no major oil leaks. It's just a bit dirty. It will need good engine detailing. Valve covers have been replaced at some point. And kind of just going to go through and see how everything is doing. Today's main priority in the video is working on the battery here. As you can see, it is pretty corroded, especially on the negative terminal side. It is just kind of not really there all the way. Just wiggle this off. There. As you can see, the negative side is fully broken. So, I said why not? And just put all new ends on it. What I'm going to be doing today is some new terminals and clean the battery terminals here. Here are some more parts we'll be putting on: new drive belt and a new fan belt, new fuel filter, one of the idler pulleys. I have not gotten the rest of the parts, but they will be here in time, and I will be making videos of those. So, when I first got this, the battery was completely dead. You had to jump it and even get going. And even then, this must have been really loose in there because it would die when I sat it and idled for a little bit, seeing if it would charge. That's when we found out it was broken. And I took off these two caps and there was little water in there. At least it was very low. Now this battery is dated for, let's see, it's a Royal King battery. I thought there was a date on it. At least the owner told us it was put in 2020. But I'm guessing the reason my battery's completely dead and water was low is because of these bad wires. All I can think of, because I added water into it, drove it home, and it almost cranked over and started, but didn't quite have enough juice, so I hooked up my charger to it, and it says it got it fully charged, and it seems to start just fine again. So, let's get this going and replace these terminals. Alright, I got all my tools And let's get to replacing those ends. Hope this is a good angle for everybody. Alrighty, let's get in here. Ooh, that doesn't want to come off. Get rid of this little homemade. Well, not really. Let's move it out of the way a little bit. Let's see. Well, that's not working, but it got it loose enough for that. Okay. Eey. At least there should be enough slack to cut all this off. Put that right there. Okay, let's get our cutters and snippy snip snip. Let's cut off an end. There's the broken one. Got that out of here. Cut back this a little bit. Alrighty. Dang, it did not hit the floor. Take that off. And let's strip back this insulation a bit more. There we go. Just take this around right through here. This is hard stuff. Or a very dull blade. Say a little bit of both. There we go. Now, let's strip off some insulation. Ours don't look too bad underneath there. Back up there with the others. Cut off about the same to this one. That's a little harder. There we go. These don't look too bad. Ow, ow. Oof. Yeah, that hurt. Didn't think about that. So, it's a little sting. Let's see how we can fit both of these up in here. There we go. See, would this be big enough to cover all of this? No. Okay, so let's start tightening. No, we want to tighten it down, but not kill, because this is just soft, fairly soft metal. This side needs to go down quite a bit more. About even. Let's see how well does this fit on here. So pretty good. Okay, I think we'll have to kind of. It's not terrible. Okay, now let's do the same for the negative. Put this up here. We'll put the knife. There it is. Ow. That's in there, molded in there pretty good. There we go. Got a couple strands of copper. Should be fine. Come on, get out of there. There we go. There we go. Now for the big one. These wires are pretty clean. Voila, just like that. Now let's get this all loosened up. See, I had a little wire on top last time, so let's get a little wire on top again. A little bit wider. Knock this down a little bit more. hope this is showing up on camera well, because I can only really do one take of this. There we go. Now I got more fibers to run with. Let's clean this up. Oh, that still burns. Alright. Come on. You kind of twist it this way. You get twisted kind of this way. And we'll smush them together. And then they should just slide right in. Oh, not quite like that. Its negative cable is a little bit beefier than that positive. Okay, we're getting towards the edge of what we can do here. Come on, slide in there. There we go. Just like that. Well, wires are a little long, but they will get the job done. Heck, if these don't hold very long, I can always just get the OEM replacement ones. This just get us up on the road for now. Both have to poke through, start tightening this down a little bit. There we go. About even. Don't want to over clamp it. So that is 2 new terminals. Now let's get on here, clean off these things here. Ooh, shiny. More shiny. Are these the same? Yeah, I think so. I think they just give us 2 of them. In case there's any stuff on here from it being shipped. There we go. And let's get here. So first, negative. That's a little tight already. Alright, so we need to do a little tap, tap, tap. Yep. Looks like that's already a pretty good friction fit, so we'll just snug this up just a hair. Because it doesn't need torque that hard. Yeah, this way. And there you have it. these are new terminals replaced. I see, find one that fell down there and fell over there. Oh, just as simple as that. Get some new ends. Most wire harness has enough slack to do this. And there we go. That seems pretty simple enough. So let's get cleaned up here with the new terminal going in. Put these on the temporary tool bench. These are trash. Yes, the garage is indeed dirty. It is cleaner than it was before. That's wood for the shed. Okay, so let's see if it still runs. See, keys in my pocket. You still got some power. And it runs. That squeaking should be that little pulley down there. At least that's my guess. We'll find out because both pulleys are getting replaced anyway, so. The guy told me something was wrong with the AC pump and that was the noise it was making. But I'm not so sure myself. But, see if you can look at the inside here. All in pretty decent condition. Thank you. Yeah, no like major rips or tears. Ceiling's in good condition. We kind of got one little imperfection there. But other than that, this thing is clean. Looks like just dog hair in the back. Floorboards are not rusted. That needs replaced. Yeah, that shock is done. Just some good old cleaning to take care of it all. Tent's coming off the back. But yeah, it's a good little runner. And now it's got a more reliable way of charging the battery. I am going to take this to the store and probably give it a good battery test to see how many cranking amps we still got out of that thing. If it's low, I'm going to put me a new battery in it. If it's fine, I'll just let it rip. But yeah, nice little running tracker. And if I haven't said this already, this will be called Project Tracker. And that will be all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Comment what you think and subscribe for future videos. This has been Ben with Ben's Home and Garage. I'll see you guys on the next video.